సో హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, ఈ వీడియోలో మీకోసం జీకే ఎంసీక్యూస్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశానండి. సో టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి సైన్స్ బయాలజీ టాపిక్ నుంచి తీసుకున్నాను. సో హ్యూమన్ బాడీ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి ఇవి. సో మన ఆర్గన్స్, డిఫరెంట్ ఫంక్షన్స్. సో మనం ఈ ఎంసీక్యూస్కి చూసిద్దాం. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద లార్జెస్ట్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్ ఇన్ హ్యూమన్ బాడీ? సో ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ option A brain, option B liver, option C heart, option D lungs. So the answer is option B liver. So next question, where is the smallest bone in the human body located? So options are A ear, B hand, C foot, D nose. So the correct answer is A ear. Next question, what part of the body produces insulin? So the options are A liver, B stomach, C pancreas, D kidneys. So the answer is C pancreas. So next question, which part of the body heals fastest? So the options are A cartilage, B skin, C nails, D tongue. So the correct answer is D tongue. Next question, what percentage of the human body is water? Option A 40%, B 60%, C 80%, D 100%. So the answer is B 60%. Next question, what is the dirtiest part of the human body? So the options are A hands, B mouth, C feet, D belly button. So the correct answer is option D belly button. Next question, how much hair does a person loses daily? So 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 200 to 300, 10 to 50. So the correct answer is 50 to 100. So next question, how long can the brain go without oxygen before damage occurs? So options are 1 minute, 10 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So the correct answer is option C 3 to 5 minutes. Next question, how many nerves are there in human body? So the options are 7 trillion, 10 trillion, 5 trillion, 1 trillion. So the correct answer is option A 7 trillion. Next question, what happens to your height at night? So the options are it increases, it decreases, it stays the same, it fluctuates randomly. So the correct answer is it decreases. Next question, how long does it take for food to digest? Options are 1 to 2 hours, 3 to 6 hours, 24 to 48 hours, 5 to 6 days. So the correct answer is 24 to 48 hours. Next question, what is the smallest organ in the human body? So the options are spleen, appendix, gallbladder, pineal gland. So the correct answer is option D pineal gland. Next question, what is the main function of the heart? So the options are pump blood, filter waste, produce bile, create hormones. So the correct answer is A pump blood. Next question, what is the primary function of the lungs? So options are A store oxygen, B transport oxygen, C absorb nutrients, D break down food. So the correct answer is option B transport oxygen. Next question, what is the function of the kidneys? So the options are A absorb nutrients, B pump oxygen, C digest food, D filter blood. So the correct answer is option D filter blood. Next question, what is the primary function of the skin? So the options are protection from pathogens, store energy, produce oxygen, absorb food. So the correct answer is option A protection from pathogens. Next question, What is the function of the small intestine? So the options are option A, store vitamins, B, absorb nutrients, C, produce blood cells, D, detoxify the body. So the correct answer is option B, absorb nutrients. Next question. What does the large intestine do? So the options are A, absorb nutrients, B, store bile, C, absorb water, D, produces enzymes. So the correct answer is option C, absorb water. So the next question is, what does the spleen do? So the options are A, digest food, B, pump oxygen, C, store energy, D, blood filtration. So the correct answer is option D, blood filtration. Next question. What is the inflammation of the liver called? So the options are nephritis, option B, hepatitis, option C, gastritis, option D, dermatitis. So the correct answer is option B, hepatitis. Next question. What is the term for a heart attack? So the options are A, stroke, B, aneurysm, C, myocardial infarction, D, embolism. So the correct answer is option C, myocardial infarction. Next question. Which bone is the longest in the body? So the options are A, skull, B, femur, C, rib, D, spine. So the correct answer is option B, femur. Next question. Which bone is the smallest bone in the body? So the options are A, metatarsal, B, fibula, C, patella, D, stapes. So the correct answer is option D, stapes. Next question. What do white blood cells do? So the options are option A, carry oxygen, option B, help clot blood, option C, fight infections, option D, transport nutrients. So the correct answer is option C, fight infections. So the next question. What is the function of the red blood cells? So the options are option A, fight viruses, option B, carry oxygen, option C, help digestion, option D, control temperature. So the correct answer is option B, carry oxygen. Next question. Which part of the body has no blood supply? So the options are option A, heart, option B, nails, option C, cornea, option D, throat. So the correct answer is option C, cornea. So the next question. Which organ regenerates itself? So the options are A, stomach, B, liver, C, kidneys, D, pancreas. The correct answer is option B, liver. Next question. What percentage of oxygen does the brain use? Options are A, 10%, B, 40%, C, 30%, D, 20%. So the correct answer is option D, 20%. సో ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్ మన హ్యూమన్ ఆర్గాన్స్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని జనరల్ జీకే క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. నేను మీ స్వాతి.